I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're going to stop WhatsApp from using your Wi-Fi. First, decide whether you want to block only auto downloads or cut Wi-Fi access entirely. Make a quick backup of chats so nothing is lost. Once done, open WhatsApp settings to disable media auto download on Wi-Fi, then switch to your phone's main settings app to prepare for app-level network controls. Don't waste time. Start by toggling off any Wi-Fi auto download options in WhatsApp now. Next, you'll apply the detailed controls. On Android, go to Settings right arrow Apps right arrow WhatsApp right arrow Mobile data and Wi-Fi and disable Wi-Fi access or background data. This prevents the app from connecting over Wi-Fi. On iPhone, iOS lacks per app Wi-Fi toggles, so limit background refresh and use screen time or the router to block the device. Alternatively, log into your router and block the phone's MAC or assign. Finish by rebooting both phone and router, then connect to Wi-Fi and test WhatsApp, send a photo and watch if it uploads. If it still uses Wi-Fi, make sure no VPN or proxy is bypassing settings, sign out of WhatsApp web, and recheck router MAC filters. If required, remove and reapply the router block or toggle Android's Wi-Fi permission again. Key troubleshooting tip: if changes don't stick, clear WhatsApp cache, restart, and verify the device shows the correct MAC address in router client list.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.